Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have exciting topic to dive into, the present perfect tense. By the end of this video, you have clear understanding of how to use it correctly in English. So let's get started. Let's start with the basic. The present perfect tense is a verb tense used to connect the past and the present, or subject plus have, has plus past participle of the verb. Example: present perfect is to talk about experiences in your life. For example, I have visited Paris. Here, have visited tells us that at some point in the past I went to Paris. It doesn't specify when, but it's relevant now because it is something I have done. Example 2. Actions started in the past. Another use is to talk about actions that started in the past and continue to the present. For example, I have lived here for 5 years. In this sentence, have lived tell I started living here 5 years ago and I still live here now. Example 3. Effects on present. Lastly, the present perfect tense is used to talk about the changes or actions that have an effect on the present. Consider this example. I have lost my keys. The action of losing the key happened at some point in the past, but it's relevant now because it cannot open the door. The past action affects the present. Now let's practice. I will give you a sentence and you can think about how the present perfect tense should be used. She read 3 books this month. What's the correct form? You can pause the video and write your answer in the comment below. I will reveal the answer in a moment. Remember, the present perfect connects the past and the present, often without specifying exactly what the action occurred. She has read 3 books this month. In this case, has read tell us that she started reading at some point in the past, and the action is relevant now because it is about what she has accomplished this month. That's wrap on present perfect tense now. I hope this video has clarified how to use it in English. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe for more grammar tips and language learning content. Thanks for watching.